Chetan has a webinar at 8 p.m., so he's getting ready for the webinar. And with our request, so he's joined us to help us. So, ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to mention that today's success interview is with Chetan Gajjar. Okay, over 30 years of experience in education and training industry, and he has done franchising of IT and aviation, and you name it, hospitality sectors. He's been there and done that. But now, to begin with, great congratulations and welcome, Chetan, to the success story in our community, where you have started to inspire and empower a lot of people on the mission that you believe in, and it's a great noble service. What Chetan does, for the benefit of everybody quickly is, he went through the courses, he went through the, know your niche, zoomed in on what he wants to do, and he got going, empowering a lot of people on a mission to get people to know the ancient occult sciences of palmistry, and he's rejuvenating this strength and power that existed in India, a long time ago, and he's from the bottom of his heart, he's unconditionally giving value and empowering a lot of people on this, science and art of palmistry at very nominal prices. Okay, and here he started his journey, and within a short span of 1.5 months, he's been able to get over 100 students. And without much further ado, I will welcome him. And Chetan, over to you to share your journey. Tell us your aha moment. What made you start and think, I need to do this online now. I need to do online coaching and stuff.
It was just a spark of a moment. In fact, I saw your advertisement on. Am I audible?
Yes, I audible to everybody? Very much audible. Yeah, very much audible.
Just had a glance through your small advertisement, and when we came across, saw your advertisement. And in fact, I was thinking since quite some time that I wanted to go online. I wanted to start something online, and being into education and training industry, it was always my specialization that yes, being into this field, I want to start something on my own. And when I came across your course, I think I joined in the first or second week of June.
Right.
And immediately I took the decision, joined, and next day onwards started watching the videos. See, the entire process has been a very interesting process for me because, as you know, the entire success, everybody talks about big things. Everybody says, okay, we are going to put in this kind of investment and that kind of investment. For me, for my business, my investment was zero. For all the participants over here, we had, Bhaskar knows the entire history of my success story. We had zero investment, no funds, nothing. But we had a belief in ourselves that yes, we can do it. We wanted a kind of a guidance. We wanted some kind of a mentorship. Yes, Bhaskar met me at the right moment. And then the entire ladder of success started right from zero. Of course, I had 30 years of experience, but when it comes to online business, I had to start from scratch. I cannot say that, yes, I have 30 years of experience. No, I'm not going to this. I'm not going to do that. No, you need to believe the system. You need to trust yourself. Once you get a particular system, you need to follow that system. You need to trust the instincts. You need to trust whatever your mentor is saying. So whatever Bhaskar said, in the weekly meetings, in the ARP sessions, in the videos, I used to write down notes for everything. Even in his live lectures, I used to write down notes. Even in his videos, I used to write down notes. And I used to watch this video again and again. And my notes started becoming better and better. So the entire process was a fantastic. I'll be also watching my other participants because
right.
So the waiting room has already opened at 7:45, 7:30. Right. But anyway, so we had financial challenges, but financial challenges was not a stopping barrier. We wanted to go ahead, and I had a belief in myself. I had kept the same belief in Bhaskar also. Whatever are the vibrations, being into IT, being into aviation, being into hospitality since last 15, 17 years. I have also been associated with the occult sciences. Sorry, occult sciences means astrology, palmistry, vastu, numerology. So these are the kind of sciences which belong to India. It belongs to the ancient India. I used to read all the Indian Shastra, the Ved, the Puran, the Upanishads, and from there took a lot of knowledge. And I have joined hands with a very great spiritual leader who has almost 30 years of experience in this industry. So together we started off this association. We named the organization as Divine Astro Vastu Sanstha. It's a Mumbai-based organization, and we both have been doing a lot of classroom-based trainings. And because of this Corona, we thought let us go online, and that's how I came across with Bhaskar. Got his instincts, got his methodology, got the entire funnel system. Funnel system works. Absolutely, it works. Let me tell everybody, it really works. It has worked for me. It has worked for a lot of people, and believe me, it works.
Right.
Yes, right, Bhaskar. So I go with your words.
Absolutely.
Basically, everybody has that comfort zone. See, I'm belonging to that corporate world. I was sitting on a very high level, high position, high designation person. But when it comes to your own business, you need to come down. You need to start from zero. You need to
Right.
come out of that comfort zone. I'm boss. No, I'm going to be the peon also of my office. I'm going to be the accountant also, and I'm going to be whatever comes across. You need to come out of that comfort zone. So there are the success stories. We started off in a very small thing, just to give you a scratch.
In fact, I remember you mentioned that you took some loan to join this course also over here.
Yes, I had to do that particular thing, and the initial webinar we had planned on 6th of November. We did a lot of marketing, web marketing. We did not use Facebook because it's a paid advertisement. So we used WhatsApp, we used personal contacts. I started building up my community. You often talk of community in your trainings. Community really works. Today I have 357 people in my community, and I'm using that community for marketing. I'm using them to spread a lot of awareness about our Indian Shastra, about Hindu Tattva, about occult sciences, astrology, Vastu, Jyotish, all these things. Plus, I'm also marketing my courses, my webinars in that. Plus, we do marketing in the social media. So when we had this 6th of November webinar, we thought we might get 35 to 40 participants. And based on that, we thought even if we get 40 and even if we get 4 students, we will do the course. We will start the course. But to our surprise, we never knew online business is so huge. It is vast. It is a really very huge bubble. And when we started marketing our courses, we got 486 registrations. 486 registrations who said we are interested in attending your webinar. Out of the 486, 300 people actually said they registered the online form and they said, yes, I want to attend. This is the day when I'm allocating myself. We had kept 30-40 seats and we were in a dilemma. What should we do?
You had only 100-seater Zoom.
We had only 100-seater Zoom account and we had 300 confirmed people. So on and webinar, we scheduled the webinar on 6th November, 7th November, and 8th November. 3 days webinar. The first session was at 5 o'clock, 5 to 6:30. Second session was 7 to 8:30, and the third session was 9 to 10:30. So we had to accommodate all the 100, and we distributed the entire webinar into 3 days. And from those 300 people, the first session, 61 people attended. Second session, 60 people attended. Third session, 65 people attended. 186 people attended the webinar. And at the end of the webinar, we gave them the surprise thing to join. And from those 186 people, we got confirmed paid 103 participants.
Wow.
103 people paid upfront and joined our courses. And on 23rd of this November, our courses have already started. My lecture is going on right now. 8 to 8:30, we have question answers of the previous day, and 8:30 onwards, the lecture will start. So it's an unbelievable process. We had expected 35, 40, and we got 10 times more results.
I remember that time I said your target has to be 100 joining.
Yes,
Keep
yes.
yourself as a target of 100 joining.
And when I messaged Bhaskar that we got 103 paid students, he asked me, do you get 103 as webinar participants? I said, no, we got 103 paid students.
Paid students. Yeah.
Yes.
Right.
So
Super.
It's a phenomenal journey. It's a phenomenal journey.
Right. And in this journey, after, from the time you started going through the courses, what would you like to share with our audience, our community, our, Empowerer brothers, that was your key learnings and takeaways that you took and you said, I will action these?
See, the key learnings is online business has a huge potential.
Right.
Okay. You can Google the things. There are a lot of numbers and figures and facts available. What is the current scenario? What is the scenario which is expected in the next 2 years, 5 years, and 10 years down the line? What kind of business online community is going to generate? We are talking of India. We are not talking of the international market. In India, we are talking. In India, online business has got huge potential. Okay. 2 people are waiting. No problem. Let them wait. And webinar sales. You need to do a webinar because people in India, people have this habit. Even if we want to buy a cloth or a sari, we have to go to a shop, and until and unless we don't touch that product, we don't see it physically, we will not believe it. The same thing happens in a webinar. The person has to know who is the person who is going to teach. What is he going to teach? How is he going to teach? How is the content? How is the communication? Is he talking sense? And all these things a person tests, T-E-S-T, test, not T-A-S-T. So webinar really works. And in the webinar, we basically show them the trailer. Like when we go to watch a movie, we decide to watch a movie based on the trailer. So the webinar is a trailer, and you need to put in 300%. You are going to put 100% in your training, but in your webinar, you need to put in 300% because that's going to fetch you business. So the webinars really work. You need to build a community. Yes, community also works. You need to believe in yourself, and trust the mentor. So these are some of the learnings which I have done in my past 3 months process.
Super. And I also believe, and I also see that you're doing it more as a mission and as a service more than just as a business.
Yes, in fact, we have been telling people that I'm from the corporate world. My partner, who is also from the tours and travel industry, we are doing this as a hobby. We learned astrology, Vastu, Jyotish, palmistry, and all these things as a hobby. Today, what we are doing is we are spreading an awareness amongst the community. एक जागरूकता लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं लोगों के अंदर कि हमारा जो हिंदुस्तान का जो शास्त्र है वो हकीकत में सही है, अच्छा है, दुनिया के मुकाबले में बहुत ही अच्छा है. So we are trying to sell maximum. We are trying to give maximum at a very minimal price. For us, money is not the matter. What we are targeting is to give away maximum to the people out there, make them aware, create an awareness, and at a very minimal cost. So as you very rightly said, we are not targeting, we are just doing our karma.
Correct. But still, from a point of view of, just the financials, you're charging 499, right?
Yes. We are charging 499 rupees
for the initial package.
7 days course.
7 days course, right? And then part of the 7 days course is also video recorded courses and stuff.
Yes. Video recorded sessions will go on. Every week we will be having the similar kind of sessions whereby students can interact with us. They can ask us questions if they have problems, where they come across problems with their clients. So they can be in touch with us. We will be motivating them on further things. And we are now launching our advanced course also.
Correct.
So that will be at a premium price and the existing students will get discounts in that.
Correct. So out of this 100, at least 35, 40 should go into that.
Absolutely. And the same thing also will be targeted to the outside people also.
Correct. And then you can start, you probably do the next campaign and stuff.
Yes. In fact, next week we are coming out with webinars on Vastu and Jyotish. So once the webinar is done on Vastu and Jyotish, then we will be launching the basic level course on Vastu and Jyotish. Simultaneously, we are going to launch advanced palmistry. The basic palmistry is going on right now. So the advanced palmistry will start after a month. So it's an entire chain of next 3 months schedule is already planned out.
Super. Fantastic. Now, the advanced palmistry, how would it be priced? What is the pricing?
It will be all our courses are going to be below 999.
Okay,
Not a single course is going to be above 1,000. It's going to be below 1,000 rupees.
But it's a monthly subscription, right?
No, it's going to be the entire course for that particular period. Like
Okay.
in basic, there's level 1.
Okay.
Advanced, there's going to be 4 levels, and then there's going to be masters.
Okay. All right. Very nice. Excellent. So that's fantastic. And tell us a little about so this is like next 3 month planned, right?
Yes.
Now, are you planning to pump in some money back into advertisements and stuff from this?
Absolutely. In fact, the current income, whatever is the revenue which we have generated right now, we
Right.
are not going to take a single penny out of it. The entire amount is going to be reinvested into marketing, because that is going to fetch us more business.
Absolutely.
So at least for the next 6 to 7 months or maybe 1 year, we are not going to withdraw anything out of it. Rather, reinvest the entire thing into marketing, into equipments, into machinery, into processes.
Super. And that's when we'll let me know. We'll connect and we'll do the marketing strategy nicely, and get the maximum for the money, maximum for the buck. All right. So what else you also wrote a book?
Yes. I wrote 2 books, in fact.
Okay.
And they are right now hot selling and on Amazon.
Okay.
It's a Kindle version, and it has been published by Amazon, and it has been marketed in 13 countries. 13 countries. My books are being read. Kindle books are being read. Shortly, we are going to launch a palmistry book, a book on palmistry, which is going to have basic and advanced versions. Again, it's not going to be high priced. It's going to be very low priced, and the language is Hindi, and it's going to be launched in 13 countries. I have readers from international market also. In the first month itself, I got over 1,500 readers on the Kindle version on the first month. So slowly and gradually, my own 2 books on Amazon, in the search option, just write Chetan Gajjar, just write down my name, and you will get my 2 books on the Amazon list on the first page.
Right. This is how you spell your name, right? I'm posting it on.
Yes, CHETANGAJJAR. That's right.
Yes. Okay. So search for this on Amazon. You'll be able to get his books. And if people are interested in your course, what link should they look at?
Well, I'll pass it on to you. It's a slightly bigger one. I'll share it with you.
Yeah, but I think
share it in the group later on.
Divine Astro Vastu, if they search, they should be able to get it.
Yes.
Okay. And I'm very sure the way you have shown upfront the clarity, a lot of percentage of the current batch. How many people are attending today? Out of 100, 70?
Out of 100, 3 to 4 people are absent most of the time. So it is 99 people. 99.
Out of 99, 40 to 50 people will take your, 999 course. Yeah.
We are definitely of it.
Which is huge profit. That is the icing on the cake, right?
Yes.
Right? Because viability can be met at such low cost. Looking at our OPEX of 30K, not everyone can get 100 plus people in course. I will. Yeah.
Sure. Please.
Right. So not everyone can get 100 plus people in course. I will help you with that, Atin. I'll help you with that, Atin. Yeah. So the price doesn't have to be what he is sharing. Okay. For various niches, the price point will change, and we'll work on the offer and the price point. Okay. The price point will not be the same for everybody. For various niche today, I have practically seen at 5,000 I can sell to 30 people in one webinar. Okay. So it's a variation. Or you can do multiple webinars in a week. We'll talk about that. Will require a particular niche, but then we can work out ways that will give standard techniques for everybody to win. Okay, but the point here is people are willing to join in and get started. And I will give you a model, Atin. Okay, I'll give you a model where you can have 100 people joining your community within one campaign for each campaign. All right, super. So I think we will have to let him go. I promise.
Yeah, only 4 minutes are left because I should be going live at 8 o'clock.
I understand. Super. So let's all give Chetan a huge thumbs up, and all the best to you, Chetan. Stay connected and rock on and get huge people to learn the mastery of palmistry and other sciences.
Yeah, and I'll be sharing you my web link. we have a YouTube channel. I'll share
Okay.
that particular thing because we have lots of demonstration, small 4-minute videos on that. People can watch that. What exactly
Right.
is this industry about?
Super. So, all right. Take care
Okay,
and
sure.
all the best to you. Have a great evening and
Thank you. Thank you.
empower a lot.